Hey, Wanderlust seekers, welcome back to BPTV. Today, we're diving into a topic that ignites the imagination and stirs the soul, the world's most beautiful places. Buckle up as we embark on a virtual journey across the globe, exploring destinations that define the epitome of beauty. These are the places that beckon adventurers, dreamers, and anyone with a passion for the extraordinary. From the sun-kissed shores of Santorini to the awe-inspiring majesty of Machu Picchu, we'll be your guides through a visual feast of landscapes, cultures, and experiences that will linger in your heart forever. So whether you're an avid traveler looking for your next adventure or an armchair explorer seeking inspiration, you're in for a treat. Get ready to be transported to places where nature's grandeur meets human ingenuity, where history whispers through ancient stones, and where every sunset is a masterpiece. These are the places you should have on your travel bucket list. World's most beautiful places that you absolutely must visit once before you die. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us on this journey of discovery. Let's make our way through the globe's breathtaking wonders together. Adventure awaits. Let's dive in. Santorini, a Cycladic gem, enchants with its iconic blue-domed churches overlooking the caldera. The whitewashed buildings cascade down cliffs, offering stunning views of the Aegean Sea. Famous for its romantic sunsets, Santorini is a picture-perfect destination. Perched high in the Andes, Machu Picchu is an archaeological marvel. The ancient Incan citadel boasts intricate stonework against a backdrop of mist-shrouded peaks. As the sun rises, the site's terraced architecture and panoramic views create a mystical ambience. The Grand Canyon, a geological masterpiece, reveals the Earth's history in its striated rock layers, carved by the Colorado River. Its vastness and intricate formations make it a natural wonder, with the ever-changing play of light and shadows creating a breathtaking panorama. Victoria Falls, the smoke that thunders, is a colossal curtain of cascading water. The Zambezi River plunges into a chasm, creating a thunderous roar and a constant mist that sustains a lush rainforest ecosystem. A world of vibrant marine life. The Great Barrier Reef is a kaleidoscope of corals. Snorkel or dive to encounter a dazzling array of fish, vibrant coral formations, and the intricate ecosystems that make this natural wonder a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Banff National Park in the Canadian Rockies is a wilderness of turquoise lakes, towering glaciers, and rugged mountain peaks. Moraine Lake and Lake Louise reflect the surrounding majesty, creating postcard-perfect vistas. Cappadocia's surreal landscape is dotted with fairy tale-like rock formations and ancient cave dwellings. Balloons drift over this otherworldly terrain at sunrise, creating a magical and unforgettable experience. A tropical paradise, the Maldives is a collection of coral atolls adorned with overwater bungalows, turquoise lagoons, coral reefs teeming with marine life, and pristine white sand beaches make this destination a haven of luxury and natural beauty. The Norwegian fjords, with their dramatic cliffs and serene fjord waters, create a landscape of awe-inspiring beauty. Waterfalls cascade down steep slopes, and tiny villages nestle at the base of towering peaks. Bora Bora, a South Pacific jewel, captivates with overwater bungalows perched above crystal-clear lagoons. Surrounded by coral reefs and tropical scenery, it's a destination synonymous with romance and luxury. The Serengeti, a vast savanna, hosts one of the greatest wildlife spectacles. The Great Migration. Witness herds of wildebeest and zebras on their epic journey, surrounded by iconic acacia trees and a diverse array of African wildlife. The Amazon rainforest, Earth's lungs, is a biodiverse paradise. Navigate its winding rivers and explore dense canopies where vibrant birds, exotic animals, and indigenous communities coexist in this expansive and vital ecosystem. Carved into rose-red cliffs, Petra is an archaeological marvel of ancient Nabatean architecture. Walk through the narrow Siq to unveil the stunning treasury and explore the vast city with its rock-cut tombs and temples. The Great Wall, an architectural wonder, spans China's landscapes, showcasing the country's rich history. Snaking across mountains and valleys, the wall offers panoramic views and a glimpse into ancient Chinese engineering. Dubai, a futuristic oasis in the desert, boasts architectural marvels like the Burj Khalifa and the Palm Jumeirah. Skyscrapers pierce the sky, and innovative cityscapes blend with Arabian traditions, creating a unique blend of modernity and tradition. Yellowstone, America's first national park, is a geothermal wonderland. Discover geysers, hot springs, and diverse wildlife in a pristine wilderness that spans forests, canyons, and the iconic Yellowstone Lake. Angkor Wat, the largest religious monument on Earth, stands as a testament to Khmer civilization. Explore intricately carved temples, expansive courtyards, and jungle-covered ruins that transport visitors to a bygone era. The Swiss Alps, a breathtaking alpine playground, feature soaring peaks, emerald lakes, and charming villages. Whether skiing in winter or hiking in summer, the Alps offer unparalleled natural beauty. Iguazu Falls, a natural spectacle on the border of Argentina and Brazil, comprises a series of thundering waterfalls surrounded by lush rainforest. The Devil's Throat, the largest cascade, is particularly awe-inspiring. The Taj Mahal, an architectural marvel, is a symbol of eternal love. Its white marble facade, intricate gardens, and reflecting pools create an ethereal ambience, especially during sunrise and sunset. Perched along the rugged coastline of southern Italy, the Amalfi Coast dazzles with its colorful cliffside villages, azure waters, and winding coastal roads. Lemon groves, medieval architecture, and panoramic views make it a Mediterranean jewel. In the heart of the Southern Alps, Aoraki/Mount Cook National Park showcases New Zealand's tallest peak. Glaciers, alpine meadows, and star-studded night skies create a breathtaking alpine landscape. The Sahara, the world's largest hot desert, stretches across North Africa in a sea of endless golden sand dunes. Camel treks and desert camps offer a glimpse into the vastness and tranquility of this iconic landscape. A wonderland of interconnected lakes, waterfalls, and lush forests, Plitvice Lakes National Park in Croatia captivates with its natural beauty. Wooden boardwalks lead visitors through this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Rising dramatically along Ireland's western coast, the cliffs of Moher offer breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. Rugged cliffs, sea stacks, and diverse birdlife make this a must-see natural wonder. Remote and mysterious, Easter Island is famous for its colossal Moai statues. These ancient stone guardians dot the landscape, standing silent witness to the island's Polynesian history and unique cultural heritage. Jeju Island, a volcanic gem off the coast of South Korea, boasts diverse landscapes, waterfalls, lava tubes, and unique rock formations. Halasan, a dormant volcano, crowns the island's central beauty. Italy's Dolomites are a stunning alpine playground featuring jagged peaks, alpine lakes, and picturesque valleys. Whether skiing in winter or hiking in summer, the Dolomites offer a breathtaking escape. A photographer's dream, Antelope Canyon in the American Southwest is a slot canyon renowned for its mesmerizing light beams and sculpted sandstone walls. The interplay of light and shadows creates a surreal and ever-changing landscape. Winding along Australia's southern coast, the Great Ocean Road unveils coastal cliffs, the iconic 12 Apostles, and pristine beaches. Breathtaking ocean views make this road trip an Australian classic. These destinations offer a diverse range of landscapes, cultural richness, and natural wonders. If there's a specific place you'd like to know more about, or if you'd like to continue exploring, feel free to let me know. And if you like my video, please share it to your family and friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for newly uploaded videos. I am grateful.